says that we must watch our behavior. You cannot act like the world and expect the blessings of the Lord. Look at your neighbor and ask, have you known the sting of betrayal? Have you felt the pain of being let down by those you love? Prayer is not noise. When you pray, you invite God into your situation, and what you cannot change, God can change. Faith is trusting God before you see results. You may not understand the process, but obedience today will bring testimony tomorrow.
When we forgive, the Lord smiles upon us. Let go of that anger, my brothers and sisters, and embrace the grace of forgiveness today.
You think your secrets are safe, but I tell you today, the Lord sees everything. The fall of man brought sin into the world, but praise be to God, He already provided the redemption. The Lord says it is your time to rise up. Don't let the enemy hold you down any longer. Receive your blessing today.